Hello and welcome to the Grudge match of the century. So, words were said, and gauntlets were cast, and these two needed to fight each other. So here we have, on the left, Flypaste doing Flypaste things, and on the right, Owlfeathers doing Owlfeathers things. But ultimately, everything comes to blows. And so these two fleets needed to fight each other. They didn't see each other in the sub-pools, they didn't see each other in the champion pool at all. So now they get to fight separately, on their own, because they're special flowers. And it looks like round one is going to go pretty comfortably toward Flypaste, which I'm sure is going to have no effect on trash talk in the future at all. Owlfeather's off to a much better round two, though. Gotta get scary up in here. Because what good is a grudge match if it doesn't go all 3 rounds, right? And Flypaste wins. So, grudge match settled. Have a good one.